video, we're going to be taking a look at disassemblies and auto-disassemblies. Firstly, what is a disassembly? Well, a disassembly is essentially the breaking down process of a finished item in order to get its raw materials. So we're essentially taking apart a finished item and receiving back into stock the raw materials that made up that finished item. The disassembly function can only be used with items that previously have a bill of materials showing their component parts. So, disassembly, you'll essentially need an assembly BOM first of all, and in order to process a manual disassembly, you'll need to come to production, disassembly, and of course you will need the product in stock in order to take it apart at this point. We'll want to select our location. We'll want to select our SKU for the products that we wish to disassemble. So we're going to be disassembling our 6-pack of 1 litre ice creams in order to receive into stock 6 1 litre tubs of ice cream. We'll want to enter in a quantity to disassemble, so it will be 1. We'll then want to select auto pick, which is where Dia will look for any stock lines or batch or serial items of that item, and that will be then allocated for which you are going to disassemble. So you can see it's found one here with this batch and serial number and this expiry date in my case. You'll then want to click authorize, and then on the results screen you'll want to click load bill of materials, and it will load what you are due to receive from disassembling that item. So by disassembling a 6-pack of ice cream, we're going to then receive in the vanilla ice cream 1 litre tub times 6, because 6 1 litre tubs made up the 6-pack of ice cream 1 litre. We'll then click complete. It will let you know if there's any issues in the process. In my case, because I'm using FIFO traceability, I need to enter an expiry date for the 6 1 litre tubs I'm going to receive into stock. I can then click complete and we'll have successfully disassembled the 6-pack of ice cream. So that's the manual disassembly. Now, on the other hand, we have automatic disassembly. Now, automatic disassembly can be turned on by going to the product, searching for the item, and in the bill of materials section you'll want to make sure that you have auto disassembly turned on. Once you have that turned on, you'll then want to click save. This will then be triggered anytime you receive a purchase order and complete the stock received section. The product will be automatically disassembled. So this can be really useful if perhaps you buy items in packs of 6 from your supplier, but you actually stock them in units because you sell them in units. So you buy it from your supplier as a 6-pack and you receive them into stock as individual units. So how we can process this is by going to purchase, simple purchase. We'll then need to fill out our purchase order as normal. On our order, we're going to be buying the 6-pack of ice cream. And we're just going to be buying the one item at a price of £20. We'll then want to authorize this purchase order. Email or print any documents as we usually would. And then we'll complete the stock received section as normal, and we'll say that we've received a 6-pack of ice cream and select authorize. I'm just going to fill in my expiry date again because I'm using FIFO traceability, and I'm going to allow Dia to automatically assign a serial number. That product is now received into stock, and you can proceed to fill out the invoice section, or that can be passed to your accounts team depending on your process. Now, in the background, we've received that and we should have had a disassembly completed for us on our behalf. So if we go to production and click disassemblies at the bottom of the screen, we can view our existing disassemblies within the system. And here you can see we have a disassembly completed for us here. If we then select this item, we can see that Dia has automatically disassembled the ice cream 6-pack. And if we go to result, we can see we've received into stock 6 1-litre tubs of ice cream. So that has now been completed for us, and we've got the 6 1-litre tubs of ice cream in stock. So we've taken a look at manual disassemblies there and automatic disassemblies also. If you're interested in watching any other videos around the assembly module, we have some around the bill of materials and also normal auto assembly and assembly orders itself. Thank you for watching.